Guys, welcome back to this great channel where I share strategy and analysis on how you guys can actually trade forex. Okay, so today we are back with this powerful catching spike strategy. I'm here today to show you guys this strategy you can use in catching spikes, a whole lot of spike when you're trading boom and crash. So guys, first before we continue, I'd like you guys to like this video, share the video, subscribe, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can always get videos whenever I drop them. So guys, so you can also check on the description page. You'll see a link to my Telegram group, where I drop signals for your daily trading, powerful signals that comes with much profit. And if you want to talk to me directly, maybe for account management or mentorship or any other way I can help you to grow in forex, you can also find my WhatsApp link on the description page. Just click and you can talk to me directly. So guys, let's get to business. So today's strategy, the indicators we'll be needing for today's strategy will be on a main chart, the moving average, and on our indicator window 1 we have the average directional movement index, and we have the Ichimoku. So on our main chart and moving average, we have period 200, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, the styles is 4 pixel, and I'm using a black color. You can use the color of your choice, but I choose white because it's more visible on the chart since I'm using a white background. And done. And our next indicator will be on our indicator window 1, which is the average directional movement index, and period is 1, the style is 1 pixel. Okay, just keep them at 1 pixel each and just make the color of the background. The color of my background is white, so that's why I'm using white. And you have to pay attention to these very levels. Okay, these are the levels we'll be having. Okay, so I can start reading all this. So all you just have to do is screenshot this page and probably maybe write them down so you can fix it on your own chart. And after that is done, you click done. And the last indicator for the strategy will be the Ichimoku, still on the indicator window 1. On the Ichimoku we have the taken sign 9, which soon is 9 seconds, bam, B is 52. See this place, just leave it empty. And on the styles, taken sign is 4 pixel red color, the Kujin sign is 4 pixel red color. Then the rest, just leave them at the color of your background. If your background is black, you leave them black. If your background is white, you leave them white. After that is done. So as you can see, this is boom 500, and I'm on a 15-minute time frame. And why am I on a 15-minute time frame? I'm on a 15-minute time frame for for confirmation before moving to our 1-minute time frame for our entry. So why are we having the confirmation here? What are the confirmation we are waiting for? The confirmation we are waiting for here, it's because of the moving average, because it's actually going to help us tell us which direction the market is going at the moment. So first of all, what you want to do is you zoom in your chart to the last zooming level. Okay, as you can see, I just zoom in my chart to the last zooming level. And okay, so when you do this, you check that if your moving average line, the black indicator you're seeing on your main chart, that line, your black line you're seeing on the main chart, if you're seeing it below the candles, okay, if the moving average is right below the candles, that tells you that the market is actually an uptrend, and it's very okay for you to make your entries because you will actually be catching more spikes. You catch more spikes when the market is on uptrend, that's on boom. Catch more spikes when the market is on uptrend, on boom. But if you check the chart like this and you see that the candles are probably below the moving average, that means the market is on downtrend. And it's not actually, it doesn't actually mean that if the market is on downtrend that you won't catch spikes, but it's more risky because you might not really catch lots of spikes. So it's really advisable if you check your chart and you see the candles above this moving average, that means the market is actually an uptrend, and it means that you will possibly catch more spikes. So after the analysis and confirmation, you have to now move down to your 1 minute time frame for your entry. Okay, this is our 1 minute time frame, and when you're on your 1 minute time frame, the zoom level you'll be needing here is the zoom level 2. So you just have to move your zoom 1, like this, 1. Okay guys, so the next thing you will want to do is getting to know when you should actually buy, because if you're on boom and you're trying to cash spikes, you actually have to buy. And if you're on crash, you're trying to cash spikes, you sell. So now we're on boom, and this is boom 500, and we're actually trying to cash spikes. So I have to tell you guys where you can actually place your trade and where it's safe for you to make your entry. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is you have to wait for this green line here. Have to wait for this green line to approach the levels between level 20 and level 10 here, a level 20 and a level 7.24. okay, I repeat again, before you make your entry or place your trade, the first thing you want to do is you wait for this red line here to approach the level 20 and the level 7.24 here. So once that happens, and once you see the red line approaching those level 20, you start placing your trade. Okay, that you buy. Okay, and when you buy, you hold and wait for the spike. Okay, I repeat again, when you see this red indicator here approaching the level 20, getting to the level 7.24 here, you place your trade, that's you buy. And when you buy, you hold and wait for the trade, maybe probably 45 minutes, and then boom, you have your spike. As you can see, there was a spike here. Okay, had 1 2 3 spikes, there was a spike there. Okay, and another thing you need to observe is when once this red line gets to the level 20, getting down to the level 7.24, you can open more positions. Okay, when it's at level 20, it's time for you to prepare to buy, and when it's getting down to the level 7.24, you add more positions and you wait. Okay, when it gets to that level, boom, as you can see, we had a spike here, had another spike, we had another spike, we had 3 spikes, and as you can see guys, we are still catching more spikes. Okay, so and this is where you guys need to pay more attention, okay. If this red line gets to the level 20 and still got down to level 7.24, and you had no spike coming out, and it gets to surpass crosses the level 7.24 down here, and there was still no spike, I'll advise you to close your trades, because by then you would have missed the spike. Okay, so when I repeat again, when this line passes a level 20 down to a level 7.24 and crosses the level 7.24 down, you have to close your trade because you have missed the spikes. Okay guys, so this is very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. All you just need to do is just, you know, follow the explanations I made correctly and apply the right indicators, put the right settings the way I did, and I promise you and guarantee you that you will make some money for yourself. So I still have to explain this one more time. Okay, to explain this one more time, I said the moment you see this straight line, okay, getting close to the level 20, okay, this level 20 here, going down to the level 7.24, okay, that's when you place your trade. You buy and hold for probably 2 to 3 or 4 minutes. You have your spike just like you saw it here. Very simple. Just wait for the red line to get down to the level 20, heading to the level 7.24, which can open more positions, and you wait for probably 2 3 4 minutes to have your spike here, just like you've seen here. And where you have to be more careful is what I just told you earlier. If this red line passes the level 20 and it crosses the level 7.24, it's very advisable you close your trades, because by then you've missed the spike. It's very important that you take that into consideration. And once you see the red line passing the level 20 and the level 7.24 here, okay, if it passes this level, you are seeing it here, because this is the level we had the spike. The level 7.24 is where we had the spike. So if you see the line passing that level down to maybe the level 2.25, close your trade because you've missed the spike. Okay guys, it's very easy. It's very easy. All you just have to do is just follow the right instructions. And let's get to where I would say you take your profit. So where are you taking your profit? You take your profit when once you start having these spikes. Once you start having these spikes and you check on your trade and you see you're in profit, it depends on your target and how much you actually wanted to make. You can close maybe by one spike or two spike or three spike. It depends on and how much you were actually targeting. As you can see here, we're having so many spikes here, which means we have made a whole lot of money. So this thing works the same way on crash, but on the reverse angle. Okay, let's just take a look at crash. Okay, this is crash 500. As you can see, we just got our spike on crash. We just got a spike here on crash. It's a very powerful strategy and it works very perfectly. Okay, it works very perfectly. So like I said, on crash, what you want to do if you're on crash, because on crash what you do is you're actually looking for selling opportunities. So on crash, what you do is the moment you see these red lines here getting to the level 86, okay, you see the red line getting to the level 86, you place your trade that you sell. And if it gets past the level 86, getting down to level 94, you can open more positions. And when it gets to the level 94 here, you have your spike. You can see this was the spike, this was the spike, and this was the spike. Okay, I repeat, let me repeat this once again. If you're on crash, like I said, when you're on boom, you're trying to catch spikes, you buy, and when you're on crash, you're trying to catch spikes, you sell. So on crash, if you're actually trying to catch spikes on sell, on so if you're actually trying to catch spikes on crash, that means you have to sell. And when is the right time for you to sell? The right time for you to sell is when you see these red lines getting to the level 86. Okay, when you see this red line getting to level 86, that's when you open your first position. And when it passes the level 86, getting down to this level 94, you can open more positions, because when it gets to the level 94, it spikes. As you can see, there was a spike here. So like I said, where you have to be very cautious, and you know, take note of these very positions. If this line crosses the level 94, which was the place we were expecting your spike, and you still didn't see a spike, and it crosses the level 94, getting up to maybe the level 110 here, that's when you actually have to close your trade, because you actually missed the spike. So because that will be your stop loss. Okay, level 110 you will be your stop loss. So if it gets to that level and you still don't have a spike, I suggest you close your trades before you lose more money. So guys, this is the strategy, this is how it works. It's very reliable and it's been working perfectly. Like I always say, before I post anything online for you guys here, have to use it on my own trades over and over again to make sure it's working perfectly. And when that happens, I have to come out here and share it with you guys too, because I like everybody to make money on forex. Nobody came to forex to lose money, we all came to forex to make money. So that's why I always share the little I know with you guys, so you guys can actually make money too on forex. So guys, as you can see, strategy is working perfectly and it's very reliable and 100% profitable. So please, if you really like what I'm doing here, I would like you guys to like the video, share the video, subscribe. Like I always say, subscribe guys, and turn on your notification to always get videos like this whenever I drop them. And don't forget to check on the description page. You see a link to my Telegram group, which you can learn more about forex, and I also drop free signals for your daily trading. And if you want to talk to me directly, maybe for account management, mentorship, and any other thing you would like to know about forex, still check on the description page. You see a link to my WhatsApp. You can talk to me directly. Let's join heads together and make money on forex. So guys, thanks for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.